Volvo, 2023 to 2024. Read CEM data by ICP with Yanhua ACDP2. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. The Yanhua Mini ACDP2 can now read Volvo, 2023 to 2024, CEM data by ICP. For Volvo 2022 to June 2023 models, you need to use the Yanhua ACDP Module 20 and the Yanhua Volvo 2023 CEM interface board. For Volvo models from July 2023 to 2024, you will need the Yanhua Volvo 2023 CEM interface board and the Volvo 2022 IMMO license. Note that new users will need to buy the IMMO license, while existing customers who have previously purchased the IMMO license only need to buy the new interface board. Yanhua Mini ACDP Volvo 2023 to 2024 CEM Interface Board Overview. Features. 1. Reads Volvo CEM without dismantling any chip or components. 2. No soldering, no damage, and no marks. 3. The special interface board replaces welding, pins are intelligently detected, and data reading and writing are safe and reliable. Supported Volvo models. Supports 2023 to 2024 Volvo S60, S90, XC60, and lynk&co models. Newly added support for Volvo SPC 5748G, Volvo 24, and SPC 5748C, lynk&co 23. How to use the Yanhua Volvo 2023 to 2024 CEM Interface Board and Yanhua ACDP2. ACDP software/app menu function path. Navigate to Volvo, IMMO, S60 2022, or S90 2022, or XC60 2022, or lynk&co option, read CEM data by ICP. Select the car model supported. Volvo SPC 5748G, Volvo 24, and ACDP2 connection method. 1. Prepare all accessories. 2. Push the lock fastening of the interface board to the unlock position. Find the interface board installation area on the CEM according to the visual positioning mark on the interface board. 3. Place the interface board against the CEM socket, aligning with the 3 positioning holes. 4. Test the point pin definition. 5. Press down on the interface board, push the PCB lock buckle to the lock position to lock the interface board. Installation is done. Overall connection diagram. Volvo SPC 5748C, lynk&co 23, and Mini ACDP 2 connection method. 1. Prepare all accessories. 2. Push the lock fastening of the interface board to the unlock position. Find the interface board installation area on the CEM according to the visual positioning mark on the interface board. 3. Align the interface board against the CEM socket, aligning with the 2 positioning holes. 4. Test the point pin definition. 5. Press down on the interface board, push the PCB lock buckle to the lock position to lock the interface board. Installation is done. Overall connection diagram. Yanhua Mini ACDP 2 Volvo 2023 to 2024 CEM Interface Board Kit. This kit includes all necessary components and instructions for reading and writing CEM data from the supported Volvo models, ensuring a seamless and safe operation without the need for complex procedures or equipment dismantling. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.